Have you ever thought about growing unusual fruits and vegetables in your garden? Imagine the thrill of nurturing something rare, the joy of a unique harvest. It's a fascinating journey of discovery. Today, we dive into a list of some unusual fruits and vegetables you might want to consider. First on our list is the dragon fruit, a cactus family member that bears a unique scaly fruit. This vibrant pink or yellow fruit sprouts from a climbing cactus, boasting a sweet flavor and packed with health benefits. If you're looking for a fruit that's as eye-catching as it is delicious, dragon fruit is a great choice. Next, we have the Romanesco broccoli, a vegetable that's not only tasty, but also a piece of natural fractal art. This unique veggie showcases stunning, spiraling patterns. It boasts a flavor similar to cauliflower, but with a nuttier twist. Cultivating Romanesco broccoli requires a cool climate and patience. With its vibrant green color and intricate patterns, Romanesco broccoli is sure to be a conversation starter in any garden. Next on our list is Buddha's hand, a citrus fruit more known for its fragrance and appearance than for eating. Its hand-like shape is intriguing, and it's traditionally used for perfuming rooms and clothing. If you're looking for a fruit that doubles as a natural air freshener, Buddha's hand is a fascinating choice. And there you have it, 3 unusual fruits and vegetables to add a bit of intrigue to your garden. The dragon fruit, Romanesco broccoli, and Buddha's hand all offer unique beauty and taste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!